rolling pasta, first of all, is to have a nice soft dough, which is not too dry. Secondly, is not to over-exaggerate on the flour, because if you start seasoning it with too much flour, it'll become very dry. Therefore, we won't be able to stretch it. So we're going to roll it out very thinly with our rolling pin before we put it through the machine. Nice and straight. As you can see, we're not using any flour yet. Like so. Right. Lightly flour the table, very lightly. Onto the pasta machine, starting from number 10. And each time we roll down, we're going to go down from 10 to 9. So we can actually finish with this beautiful transparent pasta, which is incredibly thin. It's important, whilst we're rolling this, that we have an assistant in order to... I wind it through, Dan will pull it through. So we're feeding off each other, basically. As you can see, each time we're going through the machine, it's doubling in size, becoming a lot thinner, and obviously a lot more difficult to handle. So this pasta dough here is made out of 550 grams of flour, 4 whole eggs and 6 egg yolks. That's properly seasoned with salt, some olive oil, and then we put a very fine saffron reduction inside as well, just to taint the pasta and to make it that lovely golden, rich yellow colour. So this is our ravioli lobsters we're making for lunch. And we have to be very quick, otherwise the pasta starts to dry, and if it starts to dry, then we've got a problem with having them cracking and breaking, so therefore there'll be water going inside. We don't want that at all. Sorry, Hattie? Hattie, you should be finishing shortly, yes?
I need one more.
Yeah, just wait. The pasta's drying very quickly. How many's on place? Good. So we put these together very quickly, like so, and press it down, thumb over, and stretch it back over, up into the hands, and then just very carefully nip them together, removing all the air from inside the ravioli. Now, if we don't remove the air, then that causes a huge air bubble, which sometimes can cause the ravioli to actually break. Like so, it's actually ripped already, so open that one up, Darren. So, nip together like so. We have to be extremely fast whilst making these, because the pasta's drying out at a rate that within 3 or 4 minutes you're going to be totally dry and not ready for use. Inside the ravioli today, we've got a very fine puree of salmon, fresh lobster, basil, some lemon juice, and a touch of coriander. That's bound together. We ball it up, just like an ice cream ball, and then set it in the fridge for 10 minutes to rest before we start making them. This helps to contain the shape. So now we're just trimming around with the scissors, giving it a haircut. From there, they go into the water, and we blanch them for 30 seconds in boiling water. Then we refresh them in ice water, and then set them out on a tray.